You must have come across this AI image that's advertised brand and businesses. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how you can create your own business name by using a prompt to describe whatever you want inside the images. My name is Adekunle Adeola. I am an affiliate coach. I teach people how to start an online business, how to create funnels. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please kindly like this video. If you like this video, YouTube will show it to other people that might be interested in this video. Kindly give it thumbs up. Let's get into the screen of my phone and let's create the magic.
Open any of your Chrome browser, type Microsoft Bing Image Creator. Click on the first one because it's the official website of Microsoft. This is where it will bring you to. Click on Join and Create. Sign in with your email. I'm here because I have registered with Microsoft before now. Here is my prompt. A very beautiful black lady wearing a customized white t-shirt and putting on a white shirt, sitting in a chair, sitting in a hair shop with an Apple laptop in her front. Write Jenny Air on the advertising board. Place the board behind her and the wall behind her. So click on Create. Is loading. Another thing I want you to know is that this coin right here is 15 and you were allowed to use it 15 times daily. You can create anything for 15 times daily. After the 15 times, you will have to wait for another 24 hours to create another thing. So here we have our image. This is a pure realistic image. If you want to download, come down to this 3 arrow right down here. Click on it. Download. If you're not satisfied, you can keep creating what you want till you get the right image. Sometimes it gives a cartoonish image, so don't give up. Keep creating till you get what you really want. This is the best one. I think I love. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please and please kindly share this video to your loved ones that might be interested to watch it.